It's time. So, for a limited time, they've brought back the Sriracha wrap, which I think I've had on here before. If not, I'm not going to do a video on it because I have had it before. It is a returning item. However, the new one, also for a limited time, if I can get it open, is the Caesar wrap. So I guess it's more of a Caesar salad content. Let me see if I can get the description off the McDonald's website as to what's in it. There we go. The Caesar and bacon chicken one. Yeah. Crisp chicken breast with Caesar style sauce, crispy onions, bacon and lettuce. So it's sort of similar to what I have. It's just a Caesar sauce relish as opposed to a barbecue or a garlic mayo or anything. So, let's see how it is. That was literally just sauce and lettuce and a bit of wrap. As was that. Doesn't taste too bad. We might get some chicken here. This will get me a good bite of chicken. It's a nice mix. This is the Caesar dressing. It's sort of a mild, it's a milder flavour thing that isn't as like pungent as the sweet chili one or the barbecue and bacon one. Or the... Oh, interesting. The garlic one's disappeared for the time being. Okay. Caesar and bacon chicken seems to have taken over the garlic one. Very good. Although I believe, as I say, it's only for a limited time. Certainly with it being the sort of wrap of the day special offer on Saturdays, and that's usually when I get my McDonald's, it might be something that I'm going to be enjoying more than once over the next few weeks, depending how other things go. So yeah, I would say the Caesar and bacon wrap is a very good temporary addition to the roster at McDonald's. So get it while you can. As I say, in the UK, I think it's Monday and Saturday where it is the reduced price rather than full price. So you get it for a bit cheaper as well, whether part of a meal deal or whatever. So give it a try. I think you'll enjoy it. I try and hope that I'm sort of fair, and I think this will appeal to, you know, it's not like it's spicy that it won't have much of a kick. It's just sort of a gentle, nice sort of relish added into what's there. So thank you for watching. More snack stash stuff from me, gaming stuff hopefully. AJ has his movie reviews and verses. Owen has his sip and snacks and other content. Various bits here and there. Also our Popcast movie club, covering all sorts of movies. The playlists are all there as well. And also the Popcast Q&A, Pop the Questions that we do, where We talk about a lot of things movie related and all that, and other things. So keep an eye out for, look at them on the channel. You've got a whole lot of content, 10 years worth practically. So yeah, thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, whatever. Give me your thoughts if you've had this wrap since it was introduced less than a week ago, depending when this video goes up. Hopefully I'll see you on the next one.